Hello, my beautiful friends. My hair is hot at mess. I got a package from my friend Hestia today. Look it, here it is. I'm not going to show you the front because it's got her personal information on it. But how well packed it is. Look at that. I don't know what's in this box or why she sent it to me. Now I'm thinking maybe I'm supposed to be sending her something. I don't know. But it's not heavy enough to be bagpipes. And it's in an Amazon box, so I feel like she and I probably have a fine collection of Amazon boxes. Oh. Thank you for not using so much tape that I can't figure out how to open it. Such a good woman. So I'm so excited. It's birthday week for me. I turned 51 this week. Not a big, I always told my kids they could just make me stuff for my birthday. I'm not a big present person or anything like that. But my mom used to say that birthdays should be celebrated by the mothers because they're the ones who have to go through the pain of giving birth. And I didn't really understand that until I became a mother. And I understand it. Oh, there's a note from, it's a long note, so I'm going to read that later. What is in here? Oh, she's really good at wrapping stuff. Well, maybe I'm supposed to read this. I'm going to read this and then come back because there might be instructions. And I know that Hestia follows the rules. So I'm going to follow the rules. Read this first and I'll be back. So the letter made me cry. Thank you. It's beautiful. Thank you. You have very nice handwriting. For being an English professor, I probably had the world's worst handwriting. I should have been a doctor, like the other kind. No, I shouldn't. I hate blood and puke, and I only wipe the butts of my own children. So this box came with so much intention, and I want to show everybody what's in it, but I'll leave the personal stuff for us. But spot on about the energies in my house and the energies when I peel down. So this thing is so cool. I did unwrap it just to make it, because I was unwrapping things. I didn't wrap everything, but I unwrapped this. So cool, and it's going to go on my ancestor shelf. So I'm going to use it, and Hestia put the directions in for how to use it. I'm so thankful. They were step-by-step line item, which is exactly what I need. Look at this amazing packing material. Hestia, you should start your own monthly box subscription. You'd be terrific at it. You would make sure that nobody got junk too. That would be it'd be like the best box in the world because we've done these boxes so much now that we know. Look at all this cool packing stuff. My cat is going to love you. All right, next. So exciting! It's like Christmas every day in my house. Oh, this is the intention jar. I think that's what this is. So cool. I'm going to open it and smell it. It doesn't smell like anything, but this is herbs that are in here. And there's specific instructions for them. And then there's this. And Hestia gave me instructions for how to do some rituals with these things, which I'm so excited to do and try. She even tried to make it simple. Look at this is the herb and this is the intention jar. Look how cool that is. And there's all different kinds of herbs in there and instructions for what to do with them. You can't see it because I'm holding it in a wonky way. But isn't that cool? Thank you so much. I can't even wrap around my head around the kindness. Thank you so much. And then the final thing is beautiful. This is so beautiful. And it is a picture. And you can see there's people dancing back here. And Druids are known for dancing in forest groves like this, as are the Native Americans, the indigenous people. And she said that it reminded her of my Druidic practice, my non-pretentious Druidic practice. Because all the other ones are snooty. Not all of them, but the ones I seem to be. So this is beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in the living room or up in my office. So that's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this box. I appreciate it so much. And, oh wait, there's something else in here. It's got the Goddess Provisions baggies. We're both lamenting the fact that they're ending their normal subscription service. But don't worry, because tomorrow night we'll be together. We will be unboxing. It's like my favorite thing to do every month is unbox with Hestia. I didn't open the box yet. I put it here so I wouldn't lose it. I can't get the bag open. This is, Hestia makes these awesome, like, she calls them kanklets. And this is one. I've tried to win one because she has a thing on her website, which I'll paste below, that you can, like, win one, and then she has some extra clips in it. So, isn't that cool? So I'm going to put that on because I'm actually going to wear lower shoes today. And it has these cool charms on it. There's a rabbit, a froggy, and a crow. And then she wasn't sure how fat my ankles were. So, believe it or not, I have sexy, skinny ankles, so long as they're not swollen, which they often are when I sit in this chair all day for work. So that is very cool. Thank you so much. This is such a great surprise and so much loved. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All right. You'll catch us both tomorrow night as we open up our spiritual goodies box, which I'm looking forward to very much. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. And thank you, Hestia. Wishing you all the best in light and love.